Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video we're taking a look at the song Mighty to Save by Hillsong. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this tutorial. Also, I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chords in this tutorial. Don't worry, I'll show you everything you need to know, but if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, make sure to check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial, and we're going to be doing things a little bit differently. I'm going to show you the cover from whenever I released it yesterday, and I'm going to have the chords and the tabs right here. So I want to hear from you. I want to know if that's helpful for you or if you prefer the old format. So keep that in mind as you learn this song. Let me know down in the comments below. Here's the tutorial. Everyone needs compassion, a love that's never failing. Let mercy fall on me. Everyone needs forgiveness, the kindness of a Savior, the hope of nations. Can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save forever. Author of salvation, He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Take me as you find me, all my fears and failures. Fill my life again. I give my life to follow everything I believe in. Now I surrender. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save forever. Author of salvation, He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Savior, He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save forever. Author of salvation, He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Savior, He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save forever. Author of salvation, He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Shine your light and let the whole world see. We sing singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song Mighty to Save with just you and an acoustic guitar. I'm trying out a new format for these tutorials. If it's helpful, let me know in the comments below. If it's not as helpful as the old way, I'd be happy to go back to the old way. Let me know that in the comments below. I just want to do whatever serves you best and helps you learn the easiest way possible. Also, while you're scrolling down to the comments to let me know if that was helpful or not, check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. In that free PDF, I'll show you 25 advanced guitar chord voicings that you can start implementing into your own guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Till I see you in the next video. Keep leading worship well.